His Excellency, Sir S.W. Tapley Seaton, Queen's Counsel, Governor General, Dr. the Honorable Timothy Harris, Prime Minister, Honorable Members of Cabinet and the National Assembly, His Lordship, the Honorable Mr. Justice Ermin Moyes, Mr. Reynold Benjamin, Chief Magistrate, learned magistrates and former magistrates, learned colleagues, our friends from the registries of the Magistrates Court and the High Court, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of the St. Kitts and Nevis Bar Association and its Executive Council, I express our collective joy and gratitude that this promise made by the Attorney General has come to reality. The Ministry of Justice and Legal Affairs and its team must be commended for their efforts in ensuring that the annex to the Sir Lee L. Moore Judicial and Legal Services Complex is now functional. The bar's stake, and I think that deserves a clap. The bar's stake in the operation of the annex is threefold. The annex, if utilized effectively, will improve the administration of justice, increase access to justice, and enhance our ability as a bar to provide better services to our clients. The new Magistrates Court is welcomed as 3 magistrates can now sit simultaneously in District A and attend to the numerous matters which engulf the court on a daily basis. There is no institution of justice in this federation that touches and impacts the general public more than the Magistrates Court. Therefore, the efficiency of and access to that court is of the utmost importance to all. The bar is therefore pleased that one more court will be put into operation to provide the swiftest possible justice for our clients. I am particularly pleased with the inclusion of a dedicated mediation center in the annex. Our Chief Justice, Dame Janice Pereira, has made it abundantly clear that the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court promotes early resolution of disputes without the need for judicial time and resources unless absolutely necessary. The court-connected mediation program throughout the region has been successful in achieving that goal. Now, with a dedicated space, a dedicated civil servant to schedule and administer mediations, and an increased roster of mediators, we may truly reach the target of resolving at least 90% of all disputes in the High Court through mediation. Earlier this year, 24 persons were trained as court-connected mediators, mostly lawyers, and currently there are 13 mediators on the roster, with professions ranging from counselors to reverends to architects. Parties can now truly select mediators that best suit their disputes. The annex is therefore the final piece of the puzzle in making court-connected mediation a truly effective mechanism for dispute resolution in our federation. And lastly, but certainly not least, the modern law library in the annex is an appreciated addition to our legal profession. The bar is thrilled to have access to the carefully selective and extensive law texts and reports, a skilled law librarian who can provide guidance on research, and various online portals for legal research provided therein. The law library is a game changer for many persons in our profession, particularly sole practitioners and young counsel who now have access to tools that benefit their clients and resultantly their careers, which are usually beyond their financial reach. Attorney General, I know this is a project that is dear to your heart. We have discussed that. Congratulations on making this dream a reality. The bar is well pleased. We will fully utilize the services provided, and if there's any way the annex can be improved, we will report to you. Kudos to you and your team for operationalizing this important pillar in the structure of our Federation's democratic system. Good evening, everyone.